Logic-1, love6. So here, given two int values a and b, return true if either one is 6, or if their sum or difference is 6. I'm not really sure. If both is 6, then that's okay. Also, so first we can say if a equals 6 or b equals 6, then return true. Yeah. And then what do we have? If sum or difference is 6, so sum equals 6, or difference, we can use this function, absolute value. Difference is 6, then return true. And then anything else other than that is false. Yep. Okay, so if both are 6, then that's probably a false as well. Oh. So if both is 6, then it's a true. But this code allows that to happen, so it didn't really make a problem for this code here.